We started more than 20 years in the Polish market with our first installations together with our Polish partner who's based in Czech. And at this time there were our first steps, treating a little bit paper and also plastic waste. Yeah? And meanwhile I think we have hundreds of machines over there, and it's still a fantastic market for us. The market, I would say, since we started almost 20 years ago, is well segmented, quite advanced also, I would say, and pretty developed. Yeah, there is a lot of knowledge. Yeah, so guys over there, they really know what to do. Yeah, they have the knowledge, and therefore highly advanced, I would say. We'll definitely go a little bit deeper in the plastic market, yeah, with not only with shredding but also washing and drying and sorting in this field. And we see here a quite strong and positive trend also getting in this direction together with our partners in Poland.